Igama lami nguNosipho Ngwakangobese. I'm from Enkandla kaNxamalala. Engikulindayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu angisize ngikwazi ukuthi mase ngiphuma emagcekeni ala ekhaya ngibe sengikwazi ukubona anything, ngiphinde futhi ngikwazi ukuqhubeka like ne-degree yami.
Igama lami nguLondiwe Ngwakamtolo, ngiqhamuka eRichmond. uNkulunkulu aprotecthe umsebenzi wami, aphinda aprotecthe nomndeni wami, aphinda aprotecthe ney'ngane zami, especially u-grade 6 wami. uNkulunkulu ngicela amhambele, amvule ingqondo, wavele nje wablank from grade 4 kade right from grade R. So uNkulunkulu ngicela ngisize ahambele ingane yami.
NguSuperintendent DM Ngubane, iqhamuka kwaMhlabi yalingana eManguzi. Experience engibeyinayo inkulu kakhulu, njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi ngiqhamuka eManguzi, bone ukuthi leli bandla lamukela noma ngabe ubani oqhamuka noma ngabe kuyiphi ibranch. Ngingenile holy ground lapho engithole khona ukuthi that's where the Holy Spirit works, ngoba here kakhulukazi kusebenza umoya ongcwele. Spiritual into engithandile umprofeti usebenza nge-direction, akasebenzi he with his own direction, kodwa usebenza nge-direction ye-Holy Spirit ukuthi asebenza. The experience was good. The accommodation is great. You come from Eastern Cape, all over the world. Once you arrive here, bakunikeza a very comfortable accommodation. Ozohlala khona those days osuke ngabe uzele uzosizakala ngazo.